We all know the ad campaign, "You wouldn't steal a car, you wouldn't steal a movie." Downloading pirated films is stealing against the law. Piracy is a crime. Piracy in this case refers to the unauthorized usage of someone's intellectual property. People engage in these activities because many of their friends do. In fact, I can say that within my personal circle of friends, many of them will download music, movies, and computer softwares without paying for them. They feel that it's okay for them to do it because so many others do so. I believe that downloading has become so popular because of the gray areas between acceptable practices and illegal activities. Let's look at this term of offline intellectual property rights. In my opinion, when someone buys a CD, they have the right to the music in that CD. So, as a friend, I can legally borrow the CD from them because they own this CD. However, I think that if I borrow this CD to make a copy of it, it would be copyright infringement. I believe that listening to music and watching movies on the internet depends on the intellectual property rights to the content. Services such as Netflix and iTunes allows you to watch movies, but users have to pay for this access. However, it must be noted that the services have the intellectual property right licenses. If I watch movies on a site that does not have the rights to these movies, I believe this would infringe copyright laws. Then, what about downloading from the internet for free? In my opinion, it's okay to download content from the internet without paying for it, as long as you are downloading it from someone who has the intellectual property rights to issue free copies of that content. For example, Microsoft has legal software downloads available for free. If the user who is sharing the content does not have the copyright permission to do so, they are guilty of violating intellectual property rights. And I believe that if I access content from this user, knowing that they do not have the legal rights to share it, then I am also guilty of committing a crime. In sum, I believe that accessing any digital content is acceptable as long as I do it through a channel with the legal intellectual property rights.